The second piece that I put in here for you guys was strategy and people. So once you figure out if you're dealing with any barriers, unconscious bias within your organization, you're going to take forward this change. And you kind of need to know where you're going and how to get there for that change to be successful. So what we tend to end up forgetting is that this L&D program is a huge new initiative that is transformative to your organization. It's actually interconnected to many of the other areas and processes of a business. So you're going to have to set goals and make a plan, just like you would any other major business transformation. Some of the goals that I've seen over the years include things like, we want to have higher retention. We want to add employee resources. We want to fill roles that maybe were difficult to fill. We want to create another solution to our talent pipeline, and we want to provide advancement opportunities. What are some of the things, the goals that you guys have had in mind as you've implemented your L&D programs? Please go ahead and put that in the chat, because again, I'd love to learn from what you're doing. The goals that I've seen be most successful are ones that actually have individual employees and the organization in mind. So remember, like, growth happens through individuals and the company at the same time, and back and forth. And so really what you want to do at this stage when you're thinking about, okay, what is our end goal? We want to gather some information, because you want to actually have a little bit of curation. So from every level of your organization, C-suite, leadership, direct employees, whatever it might be, what goals are actually serving all of you the best?